clear on the left? Clear. Keep moving forward.
Precision is paramount. Every component must be measured to the tightest tolerances before reassembly.
Maintenance copy, engine 4 diagnostics complete. Stand by for power check.
At the cutting edge of aerospace technology, these facilities are vital to the modernization of the U.S. Air Force fleet.
The tolerance on this section is critical.
Initiating the scan now.
We're showing full alignment on the casing. Keep the tension steady on the hoist. We need perfect alignment before we secure the bolts.
Roger. Tension stable. It's aligned.
Easy now, coming down slowly.
Watch the flange on the left.
I've got the alignment pole steady, looks good. Align the connector housing with the bracket.
It's clear on my side. Torque it down.
Make sure the variable stator vanes are seated correctly before we lock the casing.
Copy that. Alignment looks good on this side. We're almost there, just a fraction more.
Okay, it's seated. Looks good. Ready for the bolts. All right, rotation check complete. No FOD detected on the lower blades.
Confirm. The clearance looks good here too.
Okay, rotate the articulating tip counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise. Steady now. That's a clear view.
All right, confirm you have the borescope view on the inner ring.
Confirmed. No debris noted.
Copy that.
Okay, easy now. Keep coming straight back. Hold it right there. Let's set the mounts. Engine diagnostics look good. Approaching full military power. All systems green.
Okay, bringing it up to 90%. Looking good on all telemetry. We have a stable burn.
Here we see the complex fuel lines being attached to the main structure, a process requiring absolute precision.
We are approaching maximum bypass, all systems green.
Copy that. Continue monitoring EGT.
This acoustic structure is designed to absorb the immense sound during the full throttle tests, a critical phase in the rebuilding process. The Boeing 777X represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace engineering, now entering service.
I'm checking the sensor array now. We need stable readings across all yellow lines before initiating the cycle.
Aligned, setting the clamp.
Confirmed. Sequence start. Clear.
Once the cladding is complete, we move to the vertical borer to ensure we hit those critical tolerances.
Seeing some slight wear on this rivet here. Yeah.
Yeah, we should tag that for replacement before reassembly.
This reads ROT 213. Okay, I'm securing the line now.
The casing looks clear on 2121.
Confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
All right, easy now. Bring it down slowly. Copy that. Watching the clearance on blade 12. Rotate the assembly slowly.
See that scratch on the third vane?
Yeah, I got it under the scope now.
Methodical scanning of the blade edges is critical to identify any potential foreign object damage. Ensure the green harness is secured to the P3 port.
Roger that. Torque it to spec.
Tower, Raptor 01 engaging, rolling runway 34.
Copy that. Cleared for takeoff, Raptor 01.
Torque on this fitting is good. Check the next coupling.
Ensure that harness seats properly into the control box.
It's aligned.
Alignment is confirmed. Torque checked.
All right, easy down. Make sure the teeth align. Looks good. Seated firmly.
Ensuring the structural integrity of the tail section requires meticulous attention to every fastener before the internal bulkheads are secured.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on that shaft.
I have it steady. Locking it in now.
connection here needs adjustment, use the torque wrench.
Okay, applying pressure now. Setting confirmed. Just tightening this last connection point here.
And I'm showing clear on the turbine housing now.